So, three other things when you're thinking about gathering edible flowers safely. So, first, of course, knowing which flowers are indeed edible. And beyond that, um, be aware of chemical load of your flowers. So, you want to gather flowers that haven't been sprayed. You want organic flowers or flowers in the wild that you're confident haven't been sprayed or tended in that way. We're looking for organic so that you get the benefit just of the flower's nutrition and don't have to worry about the chemical load. When you're gathering flowers to eat, you really want to be mindful of taking in a healthy specimen. So you're looking for flowers that don't have mold or mildew or wiltedness or infestation of some sort. So you want good, healthy flowers, and you want to be eating those. I'm a big fan of if in doubt, let it live, let it be there. Um, and lastly, I'm a fan of giving my edible flowers just a quick rinse before eating them.